Trade Confident family, you need to be getting excited because this one coin, Algorand, has potential to easily break as high as 40% or more. We have really big moves incoming, and I want to show you exactly my targets and the evidence behind why this move is possible. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and I'm here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. It really helps us out. As a heads up, we are now 157 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Let me show you this real quick. We're going to go to view performance record and scroll down. This is going to blow your mind. Now, from our first trade win called out in March all the way down to the last trade win called out today, this puts us at 15 wins in the last month, and we're not even halfway through March yet. Now, there are 3 active trades that you can take a look at right now. Currently, we are 157 wins, 0 losses with those 3 active trades I just showed you. Now, those trade wins are thanks to our indicators, and you're in luck because you just caught us in our $650 off spring indicator sale. With 5,500 downloads and counting, you cannot go wrong. And lastly, just really fast, some absolutely crazy news from our future forecast videos. Our SOL trade is now up 629% as of this morning. And if we take a look down here, we have SHIB at 395%, FET at 275, ALGO at 266, Bitcoin at 235, Doge at 236, ADA, Cardano, 227, Bonk, 200%, Ocean, 181%, and Cody, 150% profit. And we're only about 40% through the altcoin season. And if you want updates so you can make trades like that, you can join us for our next future forecast video. All this and more available with a membership at the links in the description down below. Now, this is where I typically go into metrics, but we are going to be more focused on higher time frames today with the 1 week time frame. I just want to jump straight into this because this news is really exciting. What you're seeing here is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, this starts, let me grab a horizontal line here, and this is going to start right about here. As the price crosses down below and moves back up, we get our neckline. From there, we're going to drop, create our head, touch the neckline again, create the right shoulder, and upon breakout, this is where things get very exciting. We got left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this green line represents our neckline. It's a little bit sloppy right here, but this is confirmed to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, these patterns tend to be extremely bullish. One of the more bullish patterns you can get, in fact, and the way you're actually going to measure potential profit upon breakout is by taking the neckline. Let me grab a line right here. You're going to go from the neckline and drop all the way down to the bottom of the head. After that, you're going to take the bottom of that line, put it to the point of breakout, and the top of this line is the highest potential profit that you can get from this next move. Now, as we can see here, this would put us at a massive 61 cents. This, I feel, is honestly kind of optimistic, and I was talking to Travis about this earlier, but the first resistance we really need to pay attention to is exactly 45 cents. Major resistance at this level, and from the current price, this is a move up of about 41.2%. Now, if we actually manage to make it all the way up to our top resistance, this could actually put us as high as 94% from the current price. This is a massive move, so we're looking between 40 and 90%. 40% is my main target. I think, honestly, it's just more reasonable that way. But this is exactly why we're looking for those moves. Now, as the price increases, in order to call the top, regardless of what resistance it hits, I want to see price versus well money flow high. It may look pretty high up right now, but relative to its overall range, it's actually only sitting at about 65 out of 100. This means well money has plenty of room to move up, and as well money moves into the market, we should see price increases as well. On the weekly time frame, as we see price versus well money flow high, it trades in favor high, and especially if we get a sell signal, all 3 of these should combine to see the next move down. And if you want proof of that, just check this out. We saw price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, massive moves down at the top of that neckline. And then in order to call the bottom, we actually saw price versus while money flow low. We saw trades in favor low with a strong buy signal. It did call a little bit early, but from that price, especially to where we're at now, that is still massive gains. Then at the next neckline, we saw price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high as we touched resistance for a drop. As we bottomed out, we saw price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low for the next move up. These three indicators were able to track these moves precisely. And that's why as the price continues moving up, this is where we're going to be looking for price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal for that combination of really accurate moves to call the next drop in price. It really is as easy as that. And as this plays out, if you want to be able to stay updated, these indicators are the way to go. As I showed you earlier, they are responsible for our 157 win, 0 loss win rate in the last 12 months on our membership. It is crazy what we've been able to accomplish, and it just keeps getting better and better as we move into the bull market. Now, as this plays out, you're going to want to snag these indicators, and you actually caught this video just in time. We are actively posting our $650 off discount, massive sale for spring, just to welcome us into the bright new weather ahead of us. If you want to snag them, the links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, hear me out here, but you're actually going to want to snag a membership first. And that's because if you scroll down here, you're going to see massive discounts for our indicators exclusive to our members. Now, the membership is going to include everything I showed you earlier in the intro and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, you're going to click on the first link for the indicators. From here, scroll down, membership discount, $250 off right off the bat. Access the coupon code at this link, then click the Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to give you a $400 off discount code for a total $650 off our indicators. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you through the charts as this plays out. We'll keep everyone updated.